Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the WOMELF 88-key multifunctional portable folding electric piano. This instrument is designed with portability and learning in mind, making it quite unique for beginners. The most striking feature is its ability to fold. This full 88-key piano can be folded up, making it incredibly easy to store or carry. It's made from quality, environmentally friendly materials and is surprisingly lightweight at just 2,500 grams. It also includes built-in dual speakers, so you can play anywhere without needing extra gear. When unfolded, it provides a full 88 standard key layout, including all the black keys, which is essential for learning proper piano technique and getting used to the full range. It's packed with features, 129 different sounds for varied tones, 128 rhythms to practice timing and styles, and 30 demonstration songs to listen to or play along with. Useful functions include recording and playback to track progress, a rhythm function to control tempo, a demo song function, and an essential metronome function for steady playing. It also has a keyboard drum function, a dual timbre function to layer sounds, and a velocity converter function for dynamic playing based on touch sensitivity. A 3-digit display shows settings, and a sustain pedal is included, vital for classic piano sounds. It also features an audio function for headphones or external output. The product description emphasizes that this piano can make learning simpler and more interesting. With its combination of portability, full key count, and extensive features, it appears to be a perfect instrument for piano beginners and a great choice for anyone starting their musical journey or pursuing their interest in playing. Its design truly caters to the needs of the beginner who values flexibility and features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.